Hey everyone, it's Anne Manera, and we are coloring along again today from Color Along Variety Coloring Book Volume 19. Today's page is all about 4 colors, only 4 colors, and I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I am going to color with 4 colors from my Derwent set of Coloursoft colored pencils, and I'm going to color to some music. So I thought it would be nice to pick out 4 colors from this set. So let's see which colors we're going to be using. Here's the page. It's a mandala page. Here we go. Happy. What a great sentiment of the day, right? So we've got this set of 12 pencils. So let's just randomly pick out 4 colors from this set. I really do like this yellow, so let's go with this yellow. This is called Deep Cadmium. I think I'll go with this blue color, which is called Blue, appropriately named for blue. And then I want to go with kind of an odd set of colors today. I don't want to go with the norm. I want to kind of go with what, I don't know, something maybe you might not typically use. What is this one? This one's dark brown. Well, we could go with dark brown. Let's do that. And then let's add some lime green. So those are 4 colors that I would say that I probably would never pick. We've got dark brown, lime green, deep cadmium for the yellow, and then just straight blue. Well, it's called blue, but I'm calling it straight blue. I don't know why. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start coloring. I'm going to put some music on in the background. You won't hear me talking while the music is playing. And we're just going to get started with our coloring. So let's get down to business.